Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, March 13th, 2014. It's now 2:44 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were all down over 1%. This should be making all of the short traders very excited. The S&P closed down. Price remains in the uptrend channel. I've drawn the fib 61.8% retracement at 1681. This is just in case this price movement is more than a pullback. Support is at 1723 as seen by the green oval. Resistance is at 1887 as seen by the pink oval. The US dollar actually closed up slightly after crashing below support during the trading day. The US dollar remains in the downtrend channel highlighted by the red dashed lines. Resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Support is at 21.32 as seen by the green oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, March 13th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 3 weak currencies. There are 6 qualified pairs. The Canadian dollar Swiss franc, the pound Swiss franc, the US dollar Swiss franc, the New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar, the pound New Zealand dollar, and the New Zealand US dollar. Here's our trade summary chart for March. For open trades, the Euro-US dollar trade opened and we're long for micros. Target number 1 is 1.3995 and our stop loss is now at 1.3823. As for new orders, there aren't any new orders today. Let's first look at the price chart for our open trade on the Euro-US dollar. As you can see, we're long for micros at 1.3925. Target number 1 is 1.3995 and our stop loss is at 1.3823. Let's now look at the price charts for our 6 qualified pairs today. The first is the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. As you can see, it's been in a medium-term downtrend channel. This would be a bearish trade. And this is the pound Swiss franc. It's been a short-term downtrend channel. This would be a bearish trade. This is the US dollar Swiss franc. It's been in a longer-term downtrend channel. This would be a bearish trade. This is the New Zealand dollar CAD. It's been in a medium-term uptrend channel, and this would be a bullish trade. Here's the pound New Zealand dollar. It's been in a medium-term uptrend channel. However, price has broken through the bottom of the channel. This would be a bearish trade. And here's the New Zealand US dollar. Price is broken out of the top of the channel. This would be a bullish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please listen to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Selecting a Financial Instrument to Trade. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies, and 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are 2 indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.